Alright, what's up, Birb? So today I wanted to do a quick update for you guys, a video update instead of a written update. I'm gonna update you guys on my calls on WTC BTC and BAT BTC. So I'm gonna start off by looking at the WTC BTC here. So this is the chart that I posted a couple of days ago, and the idea here was quite simple, right? So what you're seeing right here is the white simple 200 moving average right here. And above here, you can see the purple 200 EMA being the first take profit. Now, the whole idea was to wait for a daily close above the 200 simple and then long the first retest with the first take profit at the 200 simple EMA. Sorry, the 200 EMA, this purple line, because basically the 200 EMA usually acts as resistance, so it's a good take profit one, right? And if you look at the chart right here, you will see that that's actually, exactly what happened. You had a daily open and close above. You had a rounded retest on the daily and a very nice, beautiful rounded retest on the 4-hour. And what happened right after is we hit the 200 EMA right here, our first take profit. So this one is, well, yeah, it's a nice trade, It's a almost 9-hour trade. So like what I'm thinking right now is I've gotten some questions in the Nest Club chat. If you're not a member of the exclusive Nest Club, if you're only a calls members, definitely, if you're looking for more educational content, definitely consider upgrading your membership, because it's really in the Birb Nest, the Nest Club chat where everything's happening, right? So I've been getting a lot of questions about what to do now. The first take profit has been hit, right? And what you could do is you could, raise your stop loss up above this last wick right here on the 4-hour. So basically right around the entry area, right? But honestly, I would like to see the daily 200 EMA get reclaimed first to really make the adjustment of the stop loss as safe as possible, because you can just get reacted by the 200 EMA and just dump straight down to your raised stop loss level, and then it's going to reverse, right? Because this could be, another retest of this level could be a rounded retest of this upper part of the buy zone, right? So you got to be careful with raising your stop loss. Every time you move your stop loss, you have to think about the stop loss placement as a new trade, right? So if you move your stop to this area right here, you move your stop up here above the below the last swing low in the 4-hour, you actually do that, you have to calculate this as a new setup, right? And that new setup would look something like this, right? And would you buy right here? Probably not, right? Probably not. But if you get a movement like this, that might be different, and that means that the stop loss level is now below this swing low, and it's now like 2 levels below. So that's a safe level. Now this is only, this is not financial advice, obviously. You should do your own research as always, and I'm saying, like, moving your stop up before it has actually reclaimed the take profit one level is way riskier than actually, just waiting for that bullish market structure to come in. All right, then next up we got BAT BTC. Now this is the trade that I've posted in the official calls channel a while back. I'm really loving the price action of BAT right here, and a lot of people were asking me, like, we hit the first take profit area right here. Will this retrace step back down to the to the buy area? And I kept telling people, like, you gotta be patient. Like, if you want to succeed as a trader, you gotta be patient, right? You're gonna wait for the trend, the trade to really show itself, and you gotta wait for that good entry, and you can't really just get in a market buy because you think it's going higher. You need to wait for price action to actually show you clear signs of reversal before entering. So let's take a look at BAT BTC here. So this was the chart that I shared, right? And this is what happened. So this one is based on the 4-hour. This is the 4-hour right here. And we're kind of getting a similar pattern that I've showed here. So we got a moved down into RLC, and we're now starting to see bullish market structure on the 4 hours. So we got a bounce inside the RLC of the 618 right here. Move out of the RLC, we're now coming back down in to test the 618. This is looking good, right? And if we can get above this area right here, above let's say the highs at around 2,883, get above that area, and this is good for take profit 1. And if this one reclaims, I mean, if we reclaim, and I mean reclaim by, like, let's say a daily close above, or at least a 4-hour clean 4-hour open close above 3,188. If that happens, we can move our stop to entry for a free trade and just let this one run for a good possible 60 to 70% run. And I mean, this is what I'm looking at on the higher time frames. We're looking at a possible move from range low area to the range EQ area. All right, guys, so that's WTC and bad BTC update for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed these types of update. If you want to see more videos like this for you guys, I will do just leave a comment, or a sticker or whatever in Discord, and I will consider doing more of these updates for you guys in the Birbness. All right, take care, guys, and see you guys next